we're all about some grace and some mercy, and we give lots of room for people to get it right. You know, we've always got a second chance to change and pivot and do what needs to be done right then. So I'm going to just share a little Bible verse about that. And I'm wearing my contacts, I have to lean back like I really am old. Let's see. We're looking at Ephesians 2:8-9. For by grace you have been saved through faith. And this is not your own doing, it's the gift of God, and not a result of works, so that no one may boast. So what I take from that is we're trying to be laid back, you know, we're not gonna be rough and mean with people, we're not gonna, you know, make it hard when something has to change. We're gonna let it be different. You know, if you're riding down the road and you gotta go to the bathroom, your dad says, oh, you gotta stop, but he stops. Unless you go to the bathroom. He makes a break, right? Huh? Yeah, you're right. He helps. So we always are open to change and open to be moving because God's here to help us be open to change and helping us open to be easy, and we extend that to everyone else. So just remember that. Don't get freaked out when things get weird. If it gets weird, you can just take a breath, say things change, and I have someone to help me swim through the changes. Changes and changes. You guys want to pray a little bit? Yeah, he did. We're going to do that this morning. But so we'll bow our heads and we want to pray. You guys pray with us? Okay? Father God, we thank you for being the easy God, the God that's kind and generous and helps us find our way and allows us to roll with the punches. We know this is a great mercy and a great gift that you allow us to grow in you and grow in strength. And I pray that you'll extend it to these kids and let them be nice and merciful to their friends and nice and merciful with themselves so they can grow into their best selves as well.